Okay, you can see it decided to snow in May 11, man. It's freezing and it's snowing. That's crazy. But I am able to finish. My friend came over and let's see, I'm able to finish the second row of ICF. So tomorrow, what do I have to do is that I have to finish off a little bit that's left over. I think I have to make some adjustments, measurement adjustment. I made some mistakes here, so I gotta fix that and then plumb and level this. And today is a nice day. I printed a new form. I guess I gotta turn it around, and I'm gonna finish the second course on this row. It's easy because there's no seam on this one and there's no seam on that one. It just came perfectly together, so it's easy, quick finish. There is a seam on this eastern side of the wall. That's where my seam is. I think this is the only seam, and then there's an opening, so it works out great. Same on that side. There's one seam on that side and then an opening. So my plan, using Google SketchUp and deciding how I choose to put my blocks together, is a perfect way to solve this. Spend a lot of time on planning in Google SketchUp. You're gonna have perfect. As an example, this door that you see, it looks very, very wide. Not this one actually. One of in the front here, I'm gonna have an entrance way, and the plan for it is actually, never mind the sun. This is the plan for it, and when it's finished, wind problem here. So when it's finished, it's not actually this wide. It's actually smaller. But I can finish it off. Instead of having a 10-inch block, which makes it immune, it doesn't make it immune to a blowout, which makes it vulnerable to blowout actually. So I just make it wider and have a bigger block around it, so it's not vulnerable for blowout. And then just build up a little bit with foam and 2x4s for the actual opening. Now you can see I'm using iPhone to videotape my progress here. The reason why is I'm doing all this by myself, and I'm not ready to invest on big cameras yet. I'm just gonna wait until how this is gonna do on YouTube before I invest on big cameras. Okay, yeah, today is a very sunny day. I have a situation here. I wanted no seams on this wall. This is the northern wall, and as you can see here, I'm gonna be forced to have a seam along this line because I built a retaining wall down here a while back. So I'll show you. That is right there is parts of the retaining wall. The other part is buried with this gravel. So when I built that retaining wall, I decided to have a common seam right there. But now I'm gonna be forced to follow that common seam all the way, which sucks because I gotta make a cut right there too, because now that would mean that I'm gonna have common seam along all the way here, all the way. I gotta be careful. I need to brace it all across with a lots of bracing inside and outside. That's gonna be a lot of work. You know, I planned afterwards. I designed it so I avoid common seam, but I already had common seam on the retaining wall, which is gonna force me to follow it all the way. I did not want to have that happen. Oh well, what can I do? So now that means I have to cut 16-inch here. So I have to cut, I don't know where my finger is, 16-inch over here, then remove 1 inch, put the block over there, and then carry it along to finish this wall. So this is the only wall left now. Yeah, the first 2 courses are tedious. You know, lots of measurements, lots of adjusting, because things don't turn out the way you planned it, and that's what happened with me. Another thing is that please avoid a 3 foot or 36-inch cut. When you do a 36-inch cut, you're gonna end up on the tie, one of the ties, just like, and it is a pain to cut it. Yeah, you know, so I spent a lot of time cutting it. I hope I don't have any 36-inch wide. This block here, I chose it to be exactly 36-inch for the window over here, and that's why it took me a while. Hopefully that's the only opening, and I hope I avoid it the rest of the way. You can see the wheels are a little bit wobbly, and that's you know, that's the ICF for you, and you have to be careful to make sure that the walls are straight. And that's my next job. I'm gonna spend 2 days making sure the walls are straight. The way I plan to do it is that from the footing, if I can show you, I don't know if I can show you, I have this, so I don't want to fall windy. I have these 2x10. I left it for a reason. So now I can tie 4x4 or whatever all along this way, and then make sure these walls are straight. This first 2 course, I can easily do that on that side and on this side. On this side, it's a little bit challenge. That's why it's gonna take me about 4 days. Yeah, I don't have that many lumbers. I think I have lumbers somewhere down there, but not that many. It shouldn't be bad. I have to figure it out. Look, and the same on the other side. That side is a retaining wall, so because of a retaining wall, it's gonna be a little bit difficult. I think I should be good on the other side as well. Looks like it. I just have to make sure that whatever I put is plumb. Yeah, I wish I had help, but I don't. I'm all by myself for now. Yeah. Yeah, it took me. Another thing is that you need a mallet. Your hand's gonna get tired banging on these ICF. Okay. So I got all second course done. So this means it took me 2 days to put this together. Now another 3 days to align it, and after that I should be up. Alright? Yeah, the tricky part is making it straight, level and plumb. That's gonna take me a while. Okay, thanks.